Okay, just want to make it known. This is Josh, right? So
Yeah, Josh. Yes.
So and Josh has been a patient in my office, so we've done an exam. This is not just adjusting someone's things, not some random off the street. Hey, you just cracked my neck. So I have examined him. I've adjusted him many times before.
Been a patient for 11 years.
So 11
years.
So
yes.
Just wanted to put that out.
He knows my neck like the back of his
And I usually ask, are there any trouble areas going on right here?
Nope, no trouble. We're good.
Just a couple spots here in the neck. So
yeah.
All right. So we're gonna get it here. I'm gonna feel a couple things here. Ooh, yeah. You feeling that? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. All right. Just drop your head a little bit here. Just let it rock here. Actually, drop your leg there. Yeah, there we go. Ready? Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Did you hear it? Oh, that's awesome.
We're gonna do the other side here. Just balance you out here. And we're gonna drop it here. Just drop your look over. There we go. It's already going.
Oh.
It's been too long.
It has been too long. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, Mark, your turn. All right, let's do this. Wow, thanks, Dr. Jared. Woo!
Come on over here. And Mark, too, has been a patient in the office.
Yes.
Not for 11
not
years.
11 years. But
11 years ago, he was 9. So.
Oh.
You can tell he's been sitting at a COVID computer too much. He's got corona neck, right?
Too many Zoom meetings.
Right, too many Zoom meetings. Too many bending over trying to fix his background.
Yeah.
Let it go here. Yep.
Woo! Woo! Whoa! Yes, nailed it on the head with the Corona.
Corona neck.
Corona neck. Yeah, that's. Oh. In a good way.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
I'm dying.
Bring the wheelchair now.
That would be a good blog post. The COVID neck. How to fix the COVID neck.
I've already done it.
Oh, see?
Well, not a blog post, but
Okay.
I have a good meme on it.
Okay.
I've been doing a lot of memes, actually.
Yeah.
I don't know if you've seen my memes.
So let's